In this video, we are going to make pink sauce pasta, that is red and white sauce mixed pasta. This is a very easy, creamy and cheesy recipe. So here I have taken 4 medium sized tomatoes which I have blanched in enough water and I am boiling it. It took me like 5 to 6 minutes maximum to boil it, and now you can see how soft it has become. You can see the skin is removing very easily, so we need to remove the skin and let it dry and cool completely. Transfer it into a mixie jar and blend it nicely. Our tomato puree is ready. Keep it aside. Now boil enough water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of normal cooking oil. Now add almost 1.5 cup of pasta. You can take any variety and shape of pasta. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. And we need to cook it just 80%, not completely, because we are again going to cook it in a creamy sauce. Now in another pan add 1 tablespoon of butter. I am using salted butter, you can also use unsalted. Then 1 tablespoon of maida, you can also use wheat flour. Now with the help of a whisk, just mix this all very nicely until the raw smell and taste of the maida is gone. Its color will change slightly, this is what we want. Then add 1 cup of milk which is boiled and cooled. Again mix this. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give it a mix. Here I am adding 2 cheese slices. You can also add processed cheese or whatever cheese that you have at home. Using a whisk, mix this all. You can see that the sauce has thickened nicely. So a creamy white sauce is ready. Keep it aside. Then in another pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Again I am using salted one. Then 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use olive oil if you have, or just normal cooking oil will also go. Give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Stir it until the raw smell of garlic is gone. Then add some red bell pepper, green capsicum, onion. You can also add some chopped mushroom or whatever vegetable that you like. The exact amount of these vegetables is given in the description box, you can check out. Then just saute these vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Then here I am adding the tomato puree that we prepared. Give it a quick mix. After 2 minutes, add some salt to taste. Then 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Give it a quick stir. Then here I am adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. After few seconds, add our white sauce that we prepared. If it has thickened a lot, then you can always dilute it with some milk or water and again heat it a bit and then add into this amazing sauce. You can see how nicely and beautifully this both the sauce has mixed. Give it a nice stir. Then add our boiled pasta into this sauce. Coat the pasta very well with both the sauce. I'm sprinkling some parsley on the top. You can also sprinkle some oregano, red chili flakes or whatever seasoning that you like on your pasta. Some grated processed cheese. This pasta smells amazing. Of course, this is more tasty than any ordinary white sauce or red sauce pasta because this is a mixture of both the sauces. The tomato puree, the white sauce, all the seasoning and vegetables just gave this pasta a very unique, tasty, pizza like taste. This was a very tasty recipe.